It's the Daily 304's presentation of famous people, places, and events that shaped West Virginia. Welcome to the History Project. Today we take a look at the Wheeling Convention. If the Civil War was a battle of brother against brother, then the same would be true for the sister cities of Richmond and Wheeling. Before the war, in 1861, Virginia's two largest cities sat not just on opposite sides of the state, but its politics. However, political conventions held in both cities at the precipice of the war would forever change their relationship. At the Richmond Convention in April, Eastern Virginia delegates approved a referendum to secede from the Union to join the Confederacy. Pro-Union and anti-slavery delegates from the northwestern counties responded with their own convention in Wheeling, May 13th through 15th. John S. Carlisle of Clarksburg presided and called Virginia's secession treason to the United States. After voters ratified Virginia's secession, a second Wheeling Convention was held in June. Realizing they had no power to form a new state on their own, the Northwestern delegates instead declared themselves the restored government of Virginia and elected Francis Pierpont their governor. Carlisle and Walton T. Willey were chosen as senators and were sent to Washington, where President Lincoln recognized the restored government as the legitimate government of the Commonwealth of Virginia. The restored government's capital was at first in Wheeling, but was moved after West Virginia gained statehood 2 years later. After the war ended, Wheeling and Richmond were the capitals of separate states, and their sisterhood was relegated to their past.